Warren Buffett has this great saying, first there's the innovators, then there's the imitators, then there's the idiots.
Did you know? Mark Cuban mentions this one blockchain in particular as different than others.
The technology around crypto is the easiest thing ever. Blockchain, they're all basically forks of each other. There's not a lot of innovation there. Yeah, you can talk about some of them. Maybe the ICP likes to think that they're a lot different. In some ways they are. The chains know that there is not room for 100 different blockchains. There is not room for 20 different horizontal blockchains. Now, if you want to look at vertical applications that are specific to, maybe ICP and others that have specific ways of doing things, that have applications that are better suited for those chains, okay, maybe the total number will grow.
What is the most promising ETH competitor in your eye?
In terms of things trying to do general computation, I tend to find Definity pretty technically competent. And Dominic's got really great stuff on things like threshold signatures and distributed key generation. Definity does really contribute to kind of the leading edge of the space, and that's something that I really respect.
When I was learning about the beacon chain and all that, I was like, oh, this sounds like Definity.
Yeah.
What role has threshold relay and other improvements from the Definity ecosystem have played into the design of Ethereum 2.0?
We use BLS signature aggregation, which also uses BLS signatures and also gets kind of very high efficiencies from combining signatures together in the same way a threshold relay does.
Keep in mind, ICP's goal is not to kill Bitcoin or kill Ethereum, it's to work with them. Each ICP canister can hold 4 gigabytes of data. The price to hold 1 gigabyte of data on Ethereum for a year, it's $240 million. Kid you not, the price to hold 1 gig of data on ICP, $5. This is why Ethereum has already done some integration with ICP. They have cross-chain bridges called Terabithia. This allows users to interact with Ethereum at web speeds while simultaneously paying less. This integration helps Ethereum with scaling problems, fees, and congestion. But look at it like this. Forget the price action. ICP is coming. Look at their progress they've made. They're already integrating with Bitcoin for smart contracts and DeFi.
I think Bitcoin's going to be very popular in the developing world. Historically, there have been some impediments, mainly related to speed and transaction cost, and those are going to disappear. Using the internet computer as an alternative layer 2 to accelerate Bitcoin and make it less expensive, now you can transfer Bitcoin with 1.5 second finality and negligible cost, like thousandths of a cent. We already have that actually working in Lugano. You can actually pay with chain key Bitcoin alongside fiat. It's really game changing when you can transfer Bitcoin so quickly and such little cost.
The objective of the Internet Computer Project and the Definity Foundation is to solve this fundamental problem. Web3 still primarily runs on centralized technology. That's where hackers head, regulators head, censors head, gatekeepers head. Generally, the continued use of centralized technology is at the root of most of the problems that occur. 99.9% of compute in the Web3 space remains on centralized tech. The problem is that the platform owner is ultimately a controller of the platform. They can just go in and arbitrarily change data and content, inject malicious code if they want to. The way this is solved is through the world computer. This vision of the world computer is one which is all-encompassing, where every system and service that you can imagine runs 100% on the blockchain.